If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. This guide will help you resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the error can be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or checking other devices connected to the same network. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that Apex Legends is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release patches that fix bugs and improve matchmaking. Check your platform store for any available updates. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall Apex Legends. This can resolve any corrupted files that might be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your experience and resolve the matchmaking error. Enjoy your gaming.